What does a small, precise, cost-effective slam bed tearing lathe look like? Check this machine model, CKD108L by Hoston. It adopts integral cast iron base, which is longer, wider, and heavier than other CNC lathes. It could increase the rigidity and improve the deformation resistance of the machine tool. The 30-degree slam bed has good rigidity and it is convenient for the workpiece loading and unloading, and also the discharge of iron chips. Meanwhile, we use Japanese THK roller guides and roller screws with high rigidity and high precision. The wide-body hydraulic servo tower with big tooth plate is adopted, which can change tool quickly and has high rigidity. It is suitable for heavy load cutting and can do the 6 to 7 mm single-side heavy cutting of number 45 steel. The tailstock adopts inlaid steel rectangular guide rail. The manual could expand and contract automatically. The maximum processing length of long shaft could reach 600 mm. The spindle adopts durable Swiss SKF. It is an optimized combination of high precision, high speed, and high loading capacity. Do you like such a small, precise, and cost-effective CNC lathe?